You fucking cat. F off. You what? You what? You jumped a fucking you dickhead. Fucking arsehole. F off. Fucking little dickhead.
Referring to all that beautiful bean footage. I've been hit by better, it's okay. So干你娘嘞！大哥拍谁？拍啦！你当下要熊啊！你这个人忙拍。你当下要熊。你不要看左边是不是啊？那安啦，你输拍啦。不关你的事。大哥不好意思。你不要看左边是不是？叫警察来，你赔啥小？我他妈前差就10几万，你要怎么赔啦？我已经慢了，我已经慢了。他妈，我他妈干！干你娘！护长来赔啊！来赔啊！来赔啊！我赔你，你赔我啦！我操你妈的啦！我赔你，你赔我啊！赔啊！What? Driving like that, that's how people die. Stay in your lane. 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 You're gonna lose them here. You're gonna lose them here. You realize that? You want to keep going? That hurt my feelings. Yeah, I know it does. It hurt my feelings. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
flashing knobhead. I'm on a f***ing bike, you f***head. Who you f***ing flashing? Hey? Who you f***ing flashing? Don't you f***ing dare, knobhead.
I got you on motherfucking camera, dude. I got you on camera. What was the point of that? What was the point of you cutting in front of me like that? What was the point? I got you on camera. What was the point of cut? F you, motherfucker. You want to pull over? What the was the point of cutting me off like that? I didn't do shit to you.
I didn't do anything to you.
You did cut me off. I have it on camera.
I went around you.
You motherfucker. You didn't go. You went right in front of me, and you didn't have to do that. There were 2 lanes. It wasn't necessary.
Around you. I said no.
Just do me a favor. Don't ever do no shit like that, dude. I got kids. I didn't do anything to you, okay? And you would have killed a veteran, and that would have looked great.
Don't curse.
That would have. What?
Don't curse at me. I don't curse at you.
Well, don't try to hit me then.
I didn't hit you.
Well, you tried. Well, you came a little too close, and you know you did.
I've never heard a biker.
You know you did, okay?
I've never heard a biker.
Yeah, well, I'll curse at you if you're gonna freaking try to mess with my life. I'm sorry.
Never messed with your life, but don't.
Well, you did.
You don't know.
You did, okay?
Right?
What's that?
Have a good day, man. Have a good day. Go ahead. Go on.
You know what? Hold on 1 second. 1 second, sir. Come here for a second. I want to hold on. You have a good day too, because you wish me a good day. I'm gonna wish you a good day. All right? Enjoy your weekend.
You shoot on the camera. Yeah. You need to stop. It's a red light in there. Yourself, you twat.
I don't know why this happened all the time. Oh shit.
do it. You're all on video, homie. First, you f***ing old sucker. Get out of here, you f***ing queer. Just talking, you f***ing piece of shit.
Dude, what the f***? What the f*** is your problem?
You just...
Where the f*** are you going? Where the f*** are you going? Where the f*** are you going? You. Where the f*** are you going? Where the f*** are you going? Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go. That way. That way. You go around. Go. I got all day, Baba. Go back. I've got all day, Baba. He's talking shit. He's coming up here. He must go back. Go back. Yeah. He must go back. Yeah, he must go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Yeah, you must go back. Go. Yeah, that's what I'm telling him. Go back. Move. Thank you. Thank you.
You put other people's lives in danger. No.
Go back.
I don't care. I'm on the right side of the road. You, on the other hand, are not. Like everyone else is driving on the right side of the road. It's not fair.
Go back.
Bye.
Thank you. Bugger him, he must go back.